A quiet neighborhood lies bathed in early light. Lawn chairs sit empty on silent porches. A dog pauses mid-step and freezes. Its head lifts and ears tilt toward the ground. Birds suddenly erupt from a row of trees. They wheel and call, scattering into the sky. In a backyard pond, fish churn beneath the surface. A cat presses its body low against the earth. Neighbors step outside, puzzled by the sudden alarm. Then the ground begins to tremble. A distant rumble becomes an answering pulse underfoot. Windows rattle in their frames. Doors swing on their hinges. Within minutes, the street is alive with confusion. This scene repeats around the world in many variations. Across cultures, people tell similar stories. They describe restless dogs and birds taking flight. They describe toads and snakes disappearing before the shaking. They describe behaviors that seem to come from nowhere. These accounts form a persistent and unsettling mystery. Scientists have studied the phenomenon with increasing interest. The question is simple but profound. Can animals sense earthquakes before we do? In this video, we follow that question. We trace the observations, the hypotheses, and the unanswered parts. We begin with the warning that often comes before the world shakes. Some researchers listen for subtle vibrations underground. Others monitor animal movements with cameras and collars. They map reports from fishermen to city dwellers. They collect patterns from memory and eyewitness accounts. Hypotheses emerge to explain the behavior. Tiny tremors might travel faster through Earth than humans feel. Low-frequency sounds could carry underground like a warning. Chemical shifts in soil and water might alter animal senses. Electromagnetic changes are another speculative lead. Or we may be missing a sense entirely. All these ideas are part of the investigation. But for now, the mystery still holds its power. Scientists have several ideas about what animals might sense. Some ideas are simple. Animals may feel tiny early vibrations in the ground. These are vibrations humans often miss. Some animals keep their feet and bodies close to the earth. That makes them good at sensing ground motion. Others can hear very low sounds. These low sounds are below human hearing. The word for them is infrasound. Infrasound can travel far through rock and air. It could carry warning cues before shaking starts. Another idea involves changes in groundwater chemistry. Rocks under stress can release gases into water. Those gases can change smell and taste near springs. Amphibians and some mammals are very sensitive to such changes. Electrical disturbances are another possibility. Rocks can generate tiny electrical signals when stressed. Some animals can detect electric fields or changes in conductivity. Bees and some fish are known to sense electrical cues. Subtle shifts in the environment may also matter. That includes air pressure, humidity, and magnetic signals. Birds and insects respond quickly to such changes. Different species may be tuned to different cues. Observations have been dramatic in some cases, but rigorous science has not confirmed a reliable animal alarm. Anecdotes do not equal repeatable prediction. Experiments are hard because earthquakes are unpredictable. Still, animals have senses sharper than ours. They can notice signals we routinely ignore. That makes the idea plausible and worth studying. In the end, the evidence asks for a careful balance. Unusual animal behavior is endlessly fascinating. It can feel like a secret alarm. It can also be ordinary life seen through anxious eyes. A single barking dog does not make a prediction. A flock of birds taking off does not guarantee disaster. Many reports are compelling and meaningful. Many are coincidence or misinterpretation. Science asks for repeatable patterns and careful controls. Researchers listen for tiny vibrations and subtle chemical shifts. They test sensory limits across species. They combine anecdotes with instruments and statistics. That approach can separate signal from noise. We should remain curious without turning to panic. We should support thoughtful study without overclaiming. Animals may notice cues that escape our instruments. They move through a world rich in sound, smell, and vibration. Their senses sample angles we rarely consider. That difference creates mystery and opportunity. If we listen carefully, animals might become early informants, not because they are prophets, but because they live inside different sensory worlds. One day, studying their reactions may reveal the planet's earliest whispers. Until then, we keep watching, recording, and learning. Wonder and skepticism can live together. Respect animals and respect evidence. That is both a scientific and a humble path. The Earth speaks in many voices. Our job is to learn how to listen, and to remember that nature often knows more than we do. Fieldwork and lab experiments will refine our understanding. Long-term data will reveal patterns we cannot infer otherwise. Cross-disciplinary work will be most productive. Ecologists, engineers, and seismologists all have roles. And citizen observations will remain valuable when documented carefully. The mystery remains part science and part wonder. For now, we watch with respectful curiosity. Like this video, subscribe to Wild Truth Files, and discover what nature hides in plain sight.